Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. Let's talk about the widow's peak. So some people, as they recede with their hairline, will naturally have a widow's peak in this sort of M shape to their hairline. Some people prefer to have a widow's peak, and some people don't like their widow's peak, and this is all just personal preference. With a hair transplant, you can actually rebuild a peak or soften a peak, take a peak away. And this is where the artistry comes in, the angle and direction of the hairs. Having a nice staggered single hair graft hairline is super important for rebuilding this. And the good news is it doesn't take a tremendous amount of hair to do this. This is one of the most important things you can do in terms of impact for how you look. Here at Natural Transplants, we know all the little tips and tricks in terms of how to make a hairline look more natural, sometimes incorporating a widow's peak and sometimes softening up a widow's peak. Call us here at Natural Transplants. Would love to talk to you about the options you have with your hairline. Hope to see you soon.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.